How to connect X Empire to Bybit wallet. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can connect X Empire to Bybit wallet. To do so, you will need to first have your Telegram account. Open your Telegram account on your device. Here you will need to make sure you are logged in to your account. Once logged in, you will need to tap on the search icon at the top right. Once you tap on it, now in the search bar search for X Empire. Once you search for it, here tap on the X Empire verified bot. Once you tap on it, you will reach inside it. Here you will need to tap on start or restart option, which will be presented at the central button below. Here I have already selected start button. After selecting it, tap on the play button at the left bottom below and you will reach to the X Empire page. Once you reach to this platform, here in the home page, you will be able to locate Connect Wallet button. Tap on this Connect Wallet and then at the bottom you will be able to see this pop-up. From here, you will need to find Bybit wallet. Scroll to the left and select this View All Wallets option. Once selected, from here locate Bybit wallet. Once you find it, tap on it to open it, and after opening it, you will be redirected to your Bybit app. In your Bybit application, you will be taken to Web3 wallet of Bybit. Here in this page, you will be able to see Create button at the bottom. Tap on it and then tap on Create option. You will need to set a strong password for your account. After creating the password, enter the same password in the second text box here. Once after entering, tap on this little square at the bottom to confirm the terms of service and then tap on this confirm button. Now your wallet is being created. You will need to wait for a while until the wallet is successfully created. After that, you will reach to this page. Here you will need to back up your seed phase. Tap on the backup button below and here tap on manual wallet backup. You will be prompted to enter the password of your wallet for security. Once after entering the password, tap on the confirm button. Once after doing that, here you will be presented with your secret phase. Tap on view all to view it. And once after doing that, tap on this copy option right here and tap on confirm. Once you have copied it successfully, tap on backup complete at the bottom and then here you will need to select the seed phrases in order. Once after selecting, tap on the verify button below. Once you tap on verify, now your backup will be completed. Tap on explore now and once after creating, return back to the Telegram page. Here now you will see your Bybit wallet is being connected to X Empire. You will be able to see this pop-up on your screen. Here you will need to tap on this confirm button right here in order to access a third-party app. Once doing that, here in this page you'll be able to see connect button at the bottom. Tap on connect and then you will see your Bybit wallet has been connected to X Empire. So by following these steps, you should be able to connect X Empire to Bybit wallet. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.